Minerals play an elementary role in the growth, health and performance of animals. It is important for us to understand what the mineral composition of the basal diet, where a lot of minerals for in particular cows come from, is, so that we can ensure we supply cows with adequate amounts of all the different minerals. For this we want to know what exactly is in here and how much should we supply, because we want to avoid undersupply of minerals, which could lead, for example, to reproduction or performance issues and health issues. And we want to avoid oversupply of minerals in the feed of the cows, because that would end up in the environment. And neither of these scenarios is desirable. The challenge with mineral analysis today is that tedious, laborious methods are used in the laboratories, and it takes a long time to send results back to farmers. On top of that, there's a tendency in the industry that minerals are just added in large quantities to the feed, so there's plenty of all of them available. And precision feeding concepts are around, but there's still a long way to go to achieve these. Different methods for mineral analysis are around, and they all come with their own advantages and disadvantages. At Schwarz, we could very clearly see a need for a fast, easy to use and dedicated solution, and that is why we introduced the Migral instrument. This new instrument opens up new possibilities for stakeholders across the entire value chain. Let us start with the farmers and the animals. Here, the basal diet can be tested several times a year for the actual mineral profile, and then the farmers can actually enjoy economic benefits by adjusting the mineral supply according to the actual needs. As for laboratories, mineral and element analysis in general will become much easier and faster. This will help them to increase their testing capacity, and thus they will be able to support concepts such as precision feeding in a much better way. As for other stakeholders, I could think of two examples. The first one is food processors, where a bulk part of their greenhouse gas emissions comes from farming as such, and here they would definitely benefit from concepts such as precision feeding being fully implemented on a farm. The other example would be suppliers of mineral premixes. More data about the mineral composition of the feed would help them to supply the farmers with exactly the minerals needed on the farm, and thus come with better usage of our resources.